If you've never heard teeth grinding, it's a sound you won't easily forget. Imagine nails on a chalkboard mixed with crunching gravel. It's unsettling, jarring, and an auditory reminder of jaw tension and stress. And some folks only discover they grind teeth after someone tells them about this nightly sound. So we have teeth grinding, or bruxism becomes our nemesis when we sleep. Um, this, but how does this phantom orchestra even begin? Um, Stress and anxiety often orchestrate this unwelcome symphony. While some grind audibly, others do so silently. But silent or not, it can still be harmful to your mental health. Um, and so, how can you tell if you're a silent grinder? Um, yeah, so look for signs like waking up with a sore jaw or headaches. Your teeth might feel more sensitive. Um, Over time, you'll witness wear, tear, and flattened teeth. And yes, this damage tends to sneak up on you. That's a common pain point right there, silent damage. Uh, you might not hear it, but your dentist certainly will. Speaking of dentists, they can usually spot bruxism during a routine checkup. They'll notice worn enamel, and they find tiny fractures in what you thought were healthy teeth. Pro tip, track how your jaw feels upon waking. To everyone wondering if you grind, note any soreness, especially in the morning. Does it fade during the day? That's a clue right there. A night guard can work wonders preventing damage before it happens. Let's discuss triggers: stress, caffeine, alcohol. They're major contributors to bruxism. Picture a Venn diagram with these three. If you're smack in the middle, improvements in those areas might help minimize those nocturnal grinding sessions. Little life changes can make big differences. And in pursuit of silence, consider relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga. The goal isn't only teeth protection, it's about achieving holistic calm. When I find Portland too hectic, a walk through Forest Park usually melts the stress away. That's the beauty of local nature. Stress reduction aside, let's get tech savvy. Sleep tracking apps, complete with specialized microphones, can record sounds like teeth grinding. It's a geeky alarm clock to your plastic chomp party. Those recordings may sound peculiar, but they're packed with evidence. And now let's talk about the dreaded dentist visits. Avoiding them can spell trouble. Consistent checkups mean early detection, which equals less damage and a healthier smile. Think of it as early intervention versus after the fact repair. Numbers don't lie. 50% fewer dental issues on average with regular visits. But acquaint yourself with night guards, particularly custom fit ones. The off-the-shelf ones serve a purpose, but custom is where you hit the jackpot. They offer that snug fit, ensuring your teeth are protected. Sure, more cost up front, but 70% of people report better outcomes. Did I mention the impact long-term grinding can alter your facial structure? Think sunken cheeks or undefined jaw lines. Yeah, no one wants to pay that toll just because they couldn't keep their pearly whites in check. The face needs its resting beauty, not undue stress. Um, um, okay, so final thoughts. If you suspect you're grinding, Act now. The sooner you address it, the quicker relief will follow. Don't wait until your teeth bear the burden. Remember, preventative action is cheaper and less painful than restorative work. Teeth health is fundamental, friends.